Alright guys, today I have a very special video. So I'm going to tell you the history of this, and basically it's a swallow nest soup. And the history is, in Asian medicine, it's been shown to help with making your skin better, healing, all that type of stuff. But we're going to talk about how it's actually harvested. So swallow nest soup, it's basically made by the birds, and they basically spit into to make their nests, and that's basically what this stuff is here. Okay, so now, like I said, we're gonna talk about this today, and I'm, you might be like, oh, so it's bird spit. Yep. So now, hold on. So I'm doing this video, like I said, for my viewers out there. So great sacrifice, but I'm willing to do it. And also I've had this before, so it's nothing strange. So if you think about how you might be like, what is in the bird spit? So the bird spit actually has a lot of proteins. Okay, so that's basically what it is. Proteins, things that. So you can think of it like collagen in a way. That's basically what it is. If you ever eaten this, you'll know the texture is very similar to like collagen, very similar to like if you ever had like things like chicken feet, things like that. So it's very similar in that type of texture. So anyways, so basically it's harvested by the swallows, the swallow birds, and basically once it's harvested, it's cleaned, of course, all that type of stuff. So especially in this type, it's cleaned, and then basically you make it into a soup. You just boil it, and you gently add it with water. They put it with some sugar, and it's almost like a dessert. Okay, consistency is very similar to, like I said, it's like collagen. It's like I would say like bone broth, cartilage, things like that. That's very similar to what it tastes like and what the consistency is like. So now, as you can see, this is already pre-prepared, okay? So like I said, this is an in-depth video for you guys, to give you guys an idea. And this stuff has been around for ages. This is used in Asian medicine for decades, okay? So, like, I don't know how many, it's old, okay? So it's been around for decades. Now, if you guys want to take a look, we'll take a look what the ingredients are. There we go. So here's the side there. As you can see, no preservatives, no bleaching, all that type of stuff. Been certified, clean, all that type. You always want to make sure it's clean. Here's the nutrient panel if you guys are curious. So as you can see, purified water, swallow's nest, and cane sugar. That's pretty much also, that's all that's in there. And there's the ingredient nutrient panel there. As you can see, there's nothing really high in, but like I said, it's high in proteins. That's pretty much what it is. So we're gonna open this up, and then we'll do a quick taste test, and I'll show you what it looks like. There we go. So this is what it looks like once you open the box. Like I said, I've never bought it like this before. When I used to have it, my parents used to make it for me. So that's pretty much how I see it. So that's what they look like, as you can see. They're pretty small. They don't give you a lot in there. Because this stuff is actually quite expensive, by the way. Okay, so because it's really hard to harvest. So, but that's what it looks like. Okay, see that little sort of like a gel in there. That's what the label looks like. So we're gonna open one of these up, and we'll do a quick taste test for you. So, like I said, I've had these before. It's traditionally used for, helping the skin, things like that, anti-aging. But is it really that useful? That's it's basically what collagen does. But it is kind of neat, and I wanted to show you guys as a more educational thing. So just for my viewers out there. So yeah, so we're gonna do a quick taste test, and I'll show you what it looks like. So. Okay, so I've opened it up. As you can see, that's what it looks like. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick taste test now. Yep, pretty similar to what it used to taste like. So, like I said, those little things in there are basically the nest, and it's sort of like jello, like jelly. That's pretty much what it tastes like. It's pretty, and if you didn't sweeten it, it would taste like nothing, literally like nothing. So like I said, it's kind of neat. Definitely check it out, guys, if you're curious. And like I said, it's been used for decades. So, but yeah, is this the best way to have it. There's multiple ways you can have it, but this is one of the only places, like, believe it or not, I was at Costco and I saw this, and I wanted to make a video for you guys, so, you know, to help, to give you guys, you know, what other stuff is neat and out there. So, alright guys, if you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to thumbs up the video, help the channel out, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button, and like this video. Alright, stay tuned for more, guys.